Today, we're going to install the Kraken Quick Release Kit on the Force Kraken Trolling Motor. The Kraken Quick Release Kit is available on Garmin.com and only compatible with the Force Kraken Trolling Motor. Follow the on-screen link for more information. For this process, we will need a drill and an 11/32 inch or 9mm drill bit, a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, a number 4 Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 inch or 11mm socket, a 1/2 inch or 13mm socket, and a torque wrench. You may also need a padlock with a 1/4 inch or smaller shackle after installation for security on the boat. The Kraken trolling motor must be mounted to the bow of the boat and as close to the center of the boat as possible. The mount must be installed with the top of the cutout overhanging the gunwale of the boat. The U-shape should be over the side of the boat. Verify the deck is strong enough for the weight and force of the trolling motor. Use a backing plate or reinforce the boat if needed. Contact your boat's manufacturer if you are unsure your boat is strong enough. The quick release inner plate secures to the deck of the boat using bolts, so you must have room to secure the mount from the underside using washers and nuts. There also must be clearance to move from the deployed to the stowed position and back again, staying clear of any obstacles. The quick release plate can only be installed in the mount in one way. Ensure the motor will face the intended direction when the quick release plate is installed, and the mount handle is accessible and removable after the mount is secure. Select a mounting location on the bow of your boat. Place the included mounting template on the mount location with the mount on the template overhanging the gunwale or the edge of the boat deck. Using an 11/32 or 9mm drill bit, drill the mounting holes. Then remove the mounting template. Place the quick release inner plate on the boat deck. Align the holes on the plate with the mounting holes. If the supplied bolts are not long enough for the mounting surface, you must obtain the appropriate length stainless steel panhead Phillips 5/16 screws. Use the number 4 Phillips screwdriver and 1/2 inch or 13mm socket to secure the mounting plate to the deck using the bolts, washers, and nuts. Tighten the nuts to a torque of 11 foot-pounds. Now set the motor on its side. Insert 2 bolts, washers, and nuts in the first 2 holes closest to the propeller drive to attach the mount. Loosely tighten the nuts to the mount. Deploy the trolling motor for easier access of the remaining 4 holes. Secure the mount to the motor using the included bolts, washers, and locking nuts in the remaining holes. Tighten all 6 nuts to a torque of 8 foot-pounds. When stowing and deploying the motor, be aware of the risk of entrapment or pinching from moving parts, which can result in injury. To avoid personal injury and damage to the boat and motor, ensure the motor is locked in the stowed position before attempting to move it. Lower the quick release mount over the tab on the quick release inner plate. Install the handle into the quick release mount. Install the included R-pin or padlock to lock the handle in place. We will now show you how to remove the Force Kraken trolling motor from the quick release mount. To avoid personal injury and damage to the boat and motor, ensure the motor is in the stowed position before attempting to remove it from the boat. Also ensure that the Force Kraken trolling motor is disconnected from power. Remove the included R-pin or padlock from the handle. Pull up on the shaft and remove the handle. Lift the motor from the quick release plate. Reinstall the handle and the R-clip or padlock in the mount to prevent loss. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.